Okay, we're back. So if you look very closely, there's a flap there. See that? There's a flap. And if you are going to put your zip tie closed with the flap on the inside, so you stick that in there, your flap is on the inside of the loop. So if it's on the inside of the loop, you would want to lift the flap upward. You want to press upward on the flap. But if you have it to where the flap is on the outside of the loop, oh, you would still want to press upward. Okay, so I'm going to close it now. I cannot open this. I cannot open this now because I have now used the threads to close it in place. So you want to take a tool that's skinny enough, like a tooth scraper. Get it in there to press it all the way in there so that it's firmly in place and that it lifts. It doesn't have to lift it a lot. You just have to make sure it's firmly in there. Hold the end tight and your whatever tool you use, and voila, you can now reuse your zip tie for your doll's heads when you want to switch out heads and bodies, or just when you need to restuff your doll's body. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Here is the full toolkit. You can pick it up at your local pharmacy, or you can place the order online at Target. Check the description for the product link. There we are. No needing to cut your zip tie. Voila!